working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I was so mad. I was mad because I knew she knew what she was trying to say. She just didn't know how to say it.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm on my way getting ready to go to do a photo shoot. I was asked to be a part of a Halloween themed photo shoot. So, and this is the makeup that I did. I did my own makeup because they asked for a look something like this. And I used mostly the Aaliyah MAC makeup pretty much for this look. And yeah, they said that they want to make me look like a spider. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. But anyways, I'm running late, so I gotta go. So I just finished the photo shoot. I wiped off some of the eye makeup because I don't know, I'm thinking about doing Uber for a little bit before I go back home. And I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of hot. Hurricane Michael is coming, but it's not gonna, well, it's getting a thunderstorm now, but I think the actual hurricane is going more up to the northern part of Florida. Coda's out here running around going crazy. It doesn't even look as dark as it really actually is. On the camera it's brighter, but the sky looks like really dark gray. I'm just try to adjust the ISO and stuff, but this is more what it looks like. But the sky still looks brighter in the camera than it actually does. It's thundering. Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't rain too much. I know it's the Hurricane Michael, but it's up there in Pensacola right now. It just hit Pensacola, and it's gonna go up through Georgia and the Carolinas. So I guess most of Florida is kind of lucky to have missed out on that. I'm just saying, this is a huge, monstrous hurricane. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it looks like we probably are just getting some of the rain from it right now. A little bit of a storm. No, Coda, you're not going out. No, Coda, you're not going out there. See, look at Da Vinci. He's just chilling. He's just chilling, listening to the rain. Right, Da Vinci? And Coda, you just have all this anxiety and stuff. You just cannot chill. Just chill. It's not gonna get you. The thunder is not gonna get you. Me. Forget about you. You guys remember that song? No, Coda. It's Maya. Get it up, baby. Boom. Coda, chill. You are not going out there. Looking crusty. Psych. I'm about to take these braids out. I like the natural light coming out this window. I think I lost my patience. You take my love for granted. I'm too good to you. I just don't understand it. We can get drunk, smoke weed all day. Come on. Come on, Da Vinci. You come outside. Come on, Becky. And say, oh. Hey, come here. You want to come outside? All right. All right. There he is. There he is. There's Da Vinci. He came outside. He came outside. You be a good boy. You can go play with Coda. You can go play with Coda. Come on, you wanna go play with Coda? Yo! Coda, be nice to Da Vinci. And don't pee on each other. Hey, don't pee on each other. Ew, Coda, get up! Coda! Oh my gosh. Ew, did you put your, you put your head right in his pee? Like, why can't you wait till he's done to sniff and then pee? Hey guys, just trying to get some vitamin D. Sometimes black people don't get enough vitamin D, you know, because of the melanin. So, but I think I probably could be vitamin D deficient, maybe. I definitely think I'm iron deficient. Yeah, I mentioned in other videos before that I plan on doing a video soon talking about my hair situation. The texture growing out a different texture, like a thinner texture, like a thinner, softer, less curly texture was growing out of my head for a while. So that's why right now not really feeling my natural hair, because it has been growing back in the normal texture now since I've been taking iron supplements. I think that's what is helping, so that's why I think I was iron deficient, or am iron deficient. So my hair has been growing back in thicker and curlier. So right now at the roots it's really curly, and then it gets like thinner because, yeah, but it doesn't look right wearing it down. And then plus it shedded a lot, so that's why it just doesn't look good. Like, it's like see-through. And dudes, basically I'm on a new hair journey to get my hair back to looking good, you know, make sure I'm getting the nutrients that I need to keep my hair good. So like, I'm trying to do research on vitamins and stuff. Like, it seems like it's mainly like iron and vitamin D. They seem like they have like the same effects as far as like if you're deficient, like your hair being like shedding or not growing or whatever, like certain issues with your hair. And then also fatigue, being like really tired or all the time, maybe feeling dizzy sometimes. But for me, the main thing is my hair. That's why I started looking into it, or found out about iron deficiency and stuff, because of issues I was having with my hair. But for the most part, I don't really have a lot of other issues with my health, at least as far as what I can feel. As far as what I can see or feel with myself. I mean, of course, the only way to know for sure is to go to a doctor, I guess, and get some tests done and find out exactly for 100% for sure what I'm deficient on. But as far as just doing my own research and what I experienced, I think iron is probably something I'm deficient on. And the only other issues that I have for the most part is like headaches, migraines. I mean, I guess that's kind of normal to a certain extent to get headaches or migraines, but like a lot of people experience it. But at the same time, like, it could be something more serious. I guess it depends on how often you get them. But I'm pretty much right now I'm getting over. I just had a bad migraine this weekend again. Seems like, especially if I haven't eaten anything yet, and then if I'm gonna like do something that requires a lot of energy, then like I might start to feel kind of like dizzy and nauseous. Like if I get too hot, I get dizzy and nauseous. So I don't know, maybe that could be also effect of low iron. I don't know, but the main issue that is like noticeable for me is my hair. So I was also doing some research on magnesium. So they say magnesium, that's the mineral that we need. That's good, but it's a mineral that helps you relax more, and like it could help with anxiety and headaches. So I was thinking maybe I should look more into magnesium, because it can help you relax and not be so stressed, and maybe you have less headaches, migraines. So I think I'm gonna look into that. And I was looking at copper. Like copper is a vitamin. Like copper is good for gray hair. If you're getting gray hairs early, then maybe you're not getting enough copper. That's like the thing, copper. And they said even like with aging, like saggy skin and wrinkles and stuff, then maybe you need some more copper. That copper can help you, I guess, stay healthier longer, looking younger longer. So I don't know, I need to look more into some copper. And what else? But of course you gotta be careful, because you don't want to, too much could cause problems too. So especially like with iron, and too much iron can cause problems, can cause you to get sick. I'm taking some iron supplements at the moment because I do believe I'm iron deficient, and I believe it's been helping. I don't take it a lot, like I kind of take it every other day. It was like breaking me out with like a bunch of small pimples over, and I already have acne issues as it is already, so then on top of it, but yeah, I was taking I'm taking an iron supplement, and then I'm taking a daily multivitamin that has a lot of that stuff in it that we need. So it's felt like just try to take a multivitamin, and it has copper and magnesium and all those things in it. But like certain vitamins, like you could probably take certain vitamins might not have enough in it, that like if you need more vitamin D, like a multivitamin may not have enough vitamin D. Or magnesium, if you feel like you need more magnesium, or like maybe more copper. I don't know, multivitamins, they might have like a small amount of magnesium and stuff, but you could probably, I don't know, some people take those separately so that they can get a little bit more of it. Like women are more likely to be deficient in iron because we lose more blood more. It's more common for women to be iron deficient. But like some women, like even if they're not pregnant, take like prenatal vitamins, because it has a little bit, it's like a multivitamin, but just has a little bit more of a lot of those things that we need. So sometimes, especially if you could be kind of deficient on certain, like a few vitamins, then sometimes a prenatal vitamin could be good. I mean, I've taken prenatal vitamins sometimes as a multivitamin, but yeah. But right now I'm taking a multivitamin. It's not even a women multivitamin, it's just a regular multivitamin. But I think I probably need a multivitamin that has more, because since it's for men and women, I don't think it has enough of certain vitamins that women need. So that's why they do have separate ones, so that you can get that are just for men and just for women, because certain vitamins like women need more of than men. So, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so I don't know, that was just a little talk about vitamins and health a little bit. Doing a little bit of research on vitamins lately, because I just want to get some nutrients. I mean, of course, eating healthy and stuff is good too, and it's probably even more it's probably better to get some of those nutrients from the actual source that it comes from. But sometimes it is still hard to like to make sure you're getting enough of everything from food. But I don't know, I mean, you could just try to eat more of those things, but in the meantime, it could just be easier to just take the vitamins and just be careful of how much you're taking. All right. Ew. I got some hair. I got some clip-ins. So I gotta make a video soon, but right now I'm just messing around with them, trying them out. Trying to see, you know, how they look first before I do a video. I need to get some new colored contacts with prescription. And then my birthday is coming up already, November 3rd. It's like, oh, that's a week and a half from now. Gosh. I was hoping I can get to 10,000 subscribers by my birthday, but that's not gonna happen. But I was supposed to be trying to upload like every day this month too, so I can like really grow, but I don't know. But I've been trying to work on other things too, so yeah. But hopefully I can get up a good few videos before the end of the month. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna be trying to filming some new videos this week.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.